$49.32. That's what I'm seeing a lot of people posting on social media today, talking about this, saying that it's coming from a BlackRock analyst, suggesting that this would be the price per XRP by December 31st at the latest. Is this even really possible? Well, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about that. And we have a very interesting article that also updates you that has to do with the banks. And that could be very bullish for XRP, including in the short term. So don't go anywhere. And if you guys want to see more XRP news, if you want to find out more rumors, things that's going on with the community space, then don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that thumbs up like button. It really is appreciated. And I would love to have you guys be a part of the community. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into the news. So starting off here, let's go ahead and clear a couple things up. We see this post from Crypto Geek. It's got a lot of engagement on it. It says, breaking BlackRock analyst reports a price of $49.32 per XRP. We can see that in their video, they're referencing 25 hours awake. This is a Twitter-based account. Now, something that's important to note is that if you go to 25 hours awake, to help validate a little bit more their credibility, they have less than 8,000 followers. So that's not necessarily a huge benchmark to refer to, because a lot of different companies, news outlets, etc., everyone starts off at zero, right? So they have to build their way up. What I would like to highlight, though, is that you can see on the banner for this individual, they put comedy and news. And in my personal opinion, that's a very dangerous thing to try and mix. Because if you're trying to look credible, but at the same time you're trying to make jokes about things, it's hard to really figure out what's truth and what is just a punchline. And so with that post, they're claiming that this is from a BlackRock analyst. I've tried myself. Maybe I couldn't find it, but I tried searching on Twitter. I tried searching through Google search results. And I just could not seem to find anywhere that validated BlackRock, or more specifically, even the $49.32. Because remember, that is very, very specific. So, could we hit $49.32 before the end of the year? Well, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the price charts. With where we are currently at right now, as the time we're recording this video, that would mean that it needs to go up 9,590% before January 1st, between now and then. Think about that, 9,590%. We have never had the price of XRP at this price range, right? Like, this far eclipses anything that we've seen before. To be fair, the SEC court case with XRP has really dampened the potential of growth for XRP over this time period. And the SEC court case has been going on for several years. And that court case is looking like it might be coming to a conclusion next year. We still have to wait to see what the final verdict will be from that. There was other good news that did take place that has to do with the CEO, another individual with the company as well. You guys can check out my video on that. I did just do. But guys, this is a massive amount to go in a short amount of time period. So we would need to have some extremely bullish news, probably something along the lines of like the Bitcoin ETFs. If they got approved before the end of the year, I could see a rally that takes place. But even still, a rally to this degree, it's very hard to actually see as being that realistic. It's possible, but I would heavily lean on the side that it's probably not going to happen. So how many days left do we have? We have 74 days. So take that into consideration on top of everything else, right? Is it realistic to think that XRP, where it's already one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world, if it could go up from here 9,590% in less than 74 days? That's a lot of percentage gains per day. And of course, if you see big price rallies take place, you're also very likely to see people that are going to sell and take profits, especially whales, right? Like if it goes back to the previous all-time high, there's a really good chance that that's going to be a level of resistance. And those things typically take time to try and battle through. But anything is possible. So let's go ahead and refer over to this article now. This is from newsbtc.com. It says XRP price set for massive rally as BlackRock and JP Morgan make their move. And it says, amid the struggles, I'll include the link to this down in the description. Amid the struggles in the cryptocurrency market, recent reports have suggested that the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, and financial giant at JP Morgan might spark a massive bull run for the XRP price as they work simultaneously. BlackRock, JP Morgan move might affect XRP price. According to the report, Forbes senior contributor Billy Bambro highlighted that BlackRock and JP Morgan are purportedly laying the foundation for an impending surge in the cryptocurrency sector. The report further identified several collaborative cryptocurrency moves taken by the two financial powerhouse firms. Bambro pointed out a recent report that claims that the asset manager recently utilized JP Morgan's Ethereum-based Onyx network and tokenized collateral service. BlackRock reportedly used the network to tokenize shares from one of its financial market funds, which was later transferred to the London-based Barclays in an over-the-counter OTC derivatives trade. Over-the-counter OTC derivative operations occur between two parties. However, the specifics of the order quantity, cost, and other information of BlackRock's transactions with Barclays remains concealed from the public. Following the report from Bambro, it was revealed that BlackRock became the first Wall Street giant to make use of JP Morgan's blockchain-based collateral settlement system. This was part of a move that BlackRock's chief executive officer, Larry Fink, has stated will pave the way for the next generation for markets. The BlackRock CEO previous statement in an annual letter to shareholders where he emphasized blockchain technology as, quote, very important in the past year was also mentioned in the report. Fink highlighted the role that blockchain technology plays in their financial operations. Blockchain technology enables traditional assets to be tokenized on a public ledger, potentially simplifying and lowering the cost of transferring anything from stocks and bonds to real estate and alternative investments like art. Due to this, Billy Bambro believes that there will be a significant increase in the price of digital assets such as XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum as a result of BlackRock and JP Morgan entering the cryptocurrency industry, considering their connections to the traditional market. In addition, Ripple is also aiming to establish the XRP ledger as a crucial platform for the tokenization of real-world assets. BlackRock using XRP would no doubt have an immense impact on the XRP price. An example of the kind of rally it could trigger is what happened back in June with Bitcoin when the asset manager announced it had filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF. So it does go on a little bit more in this article. Again, you guys can go ahead and check out the link down in the description below. And I would love to get your thoughts and opinions on this. Do you think that it is possible that we could see XRP hitting $49.32 by the end of this year? Would love to get your opinions on this. If you have a different price level that you feel is more realistic, that you think could be a high before the end of the year, then also share your thoughts on that down in the comments. And that's what I got for you. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. And I do have my own Telegram group. You can find a link to that down in the description below. That's Team Crypto Atlas. Would love to have you guys be a part of the channel, be a part of the community space. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafing.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members as well. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.